Look up at the night sky tonight. The countless stars and swirling galaxies you see feel permanent, like an eternal tapestry. But those lights are lying to you. What you are witnessing is merely an echo of a cosmos that is already fading. Beyond the reach of our most powerful telescopes, out in the unfathomable depths of space, a silent, cosmic tragedy is unfolding. We are currently living inside a vanishing universe. Every single second of every day, something unimaginable happens at the edge of visibility. Entire galaxies, some containing hundreds of billions of stars and potentially trillions of planets, are.
Astrophysicists call this boundary the cosmic event horizon.
Once a galaxy passes this dark threshold, it is permanently severed from our reality. It is gone forever, completely erased from view. No matter how incredibly fast we could theoretically travel, and no matter how many billions of years we wait in the dark, we will never see them again. The very light they emit is no longer fast enough to reach the planet Earth. They haven't simply moved further away. From our perspective, they have effectively ceased to exist. Where are they going? Since the dawn of astronomy, we believed the universe was a static, unchanging stage, a permanent backdrop to the drama of life. We began our investigation by looking back at the early 20th century, a time of massive brass telescopes and meticulous glass plate photography.
Hubble noticed a strange, consistent pattern in the light arriving from the furthest reaches of the cosmos.
Every distant object he measured showed a predictable shift toward the red end of the spectrum. This phenomenon, known as redshift, wasn't just a minor detail. It was a smoking gun. It told us that the space between us and everything else in the universe is actively stretching, like an elastic band being pulled to its limit. Our anchor explorer traces these early calculations in a weathered leather-filled notebook, realizing the gravity of the finding. It is as if the very fabric of our reality is being torn apart by an invisible, repulsive force that defies traditional gravity. The investigation leads to one chilling conclusion. We are moving toward a future of absolute isolation. The evidence we have gathered is undeniable, and the implications are chilling.
Distant galaxies are not simply moving through space like ships on a dark ocean. Space itself is rapidly being created between us.
At the greatest distances, this cosmic expansion actually happens faster than the speed of light. This doesn't violate the laws of physics, because space is not a physical object. It is the medium in which objects exist. But the result of this extreme stretching is a one-way door in the universe.
Imagine trying to walk toward a friend on a treadmill that is moving faster than you can possibly run. No matter your effort, the distance between you grows.
Eventually, they will vanish completely over the horizon. This is the exact mathematical fate of 94% of the galaxies in our currently observable universe. They have already crossed the cosmic event horizon. The light they are emitting right now, at this exact second, will never, ever reach our telescopes.
We are looking at ghosts.
The driving force behind this violent expansion is dark energy, an invisible pressure that accounts for nearly 70% of the universe.
The twist is even more profound than we originally thought. We were completely wrong. Dark energy is not just winning the cosmic tug-of-war. Our Milky Way is currently bound by gravity to a small cluster called the Local Group, including the Andromeda Galaxy. But beyond our immediate neighborhood, every other galaxy is being violently pushed toward the cosmic exit door. Fast forward into the very deep future, and the implications become truly terrifying. Any advanced civilizations living in our merged galaxy billions of years from now will look up into the night sky and see absolutely nothing. A suffocating void of absolute blackness will surround them in every direction. They will have no way of knowing that other galaxies ever existed. The cosmic microwave background radiation, the fading echo of the Big Bang itself. We are incredibly privileged. We are living in the only specific era where the true, staggering scale of rate. Science explains this terrifying cosmic stretching through a metric known as the Hubble constant, a number that defines. Our anchor explorer returns to the Leatherfield notebook, sketching the relentless geometry of this expansion. The calculations point to a dark truth. The universe is not just expanding, it is dying. We call it dark energy, a placeholder name for an invisible, untouchable, and relentless pressure that makes up its. It does not interact with light. It does not interact with normal matter. Because dark energy's density remains constant even as space expands, its total repulsive power actually increases over time.
This leads us toward an inevitable, frigid fate known as the Big Freeze.
The remaining stars will exhaust their nuclear fuel and burn out. The gas clouds required to form new stars will be completely depleted.
The universe will slowly transition into an endless, dark graveyard of black holes and cold, dead stellar remnants.
The ultimate cosmic mystery remains. What lies completely beyond that invisible, expanding barrier?
If entire galaxies are constantly moving out of our physical reach, where are they actually going? Some leading theorists suggest they are entering entirely other realms of a vast, infinite multiverse, forever hidden from our laws of physics. Others believe they simply fade into an unimaginable state of total non-existence, swallowed by a void we cannot comprehend.
We are left living on a rapidly shrinking island of warm light, surrounded by an
We are the very last witnesses to a cosmic masterpiece that is being systematically shredded, page by page, before our eyes. The boundary is completely silent, invisible, and absolute. It stands as a chilling reminder of our fragile. Our anchor explorer closes the weathered leather notebook one final time, looking out into the starry night sky with a sense of profound wonder and humbling isolation.